So hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can export our video to our computer. So let's say you have done all your editing to a video. Now you want to export your video. So how can you do that? Simply open Filmora and let's say this is the video which I want to export. I have done some editing to this video. Let's add some element to this video. Let's say here. Right, and let's add some music, background music. Okay, so let's play the video. So I want to basically let's add some let's do some color grading as well. Yeah, this one is looking good. So now let's export the video. So in order to export the video, simply click here, export, and then a new window will appear. Here you can change, set the name of the video. Let's say our first video. From here you can choose the path of the video where your video will export. So let's change it to desktop and simply click on export, and from here you can choose the format of your video, like what kind of format you want. You want your video in MP4, WMV, AVI, MOV, MKV, 3GP, JF, MP3. So right now we want our video in MP4 format, so I just select this MP4 and then click on export. And how much time will it take? It's completely depend on your computer system, right? It's completely depend on your hardware, guys. So let's just wait for some more seconds. Okay, so our video has exported. Let's close this and let's play the video. So as you can see, this is how you can export your video to your computer and then publish your video to your YouTube channel, to your website, anywhere on the social media. So try this out, do some editing to your video, then try to export that video to your computer, and I will see you in our next video. So hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can change the resolution of video. So let's open the Filmora and let's say this is the video I want to export but I want to change the resolution. If I see the resolution of this video which we have exported in our last video, so the resolution of this video is 1920 by 1080. It means full HD video. And let's say I don't want full HD resolution, I just want HD resolution. So how can I do that? So let's open Filmora, click on export, then here we have the resolution. So 1920 by 1080 is the resolution right now this video has. So let's change it by going to settings, resolution, and here we have some resolutions pre-made, like most famous resolutions, so you can choose from them. Or if you want a particular resolution, then you can also write here like this type, right? So right now we just want HD resolution, which is 1280 by 720. Select this, click OK, then change this to name our video to 720p, and then click to export. So our video is exporting. Okay, so our video has exported. Now let's see. So this is the 720p video. As you can see, and let's see the resolution here. So as you can see, 1280 by 720. So this is how you can change the resolution of any video using Wondershare Filmora. So try this out. Try to change the resolution of a video from full HD to HD, HD to standard quality, and I will see you in our next video. So hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can change frame rate of a video. So let's open Wondershare Filmora, and this is the video which I want to change the frame rate. Right now this video has frame rates of 30 fps. So this video right now has 30 frames per second, and I want to change this to 20 frames per second. So how can I do this? So simply open Wondershare Filmora, go to export, then go to settings, and here we have frame rate. So we have 30, 29.97, 25, 24, 23.97 or 15 fps. This is the least you can do, and maximum we have 60 fps. So let's change 30 to maybe 23.97 fps. Click OK. Let's change the video name to 23 fps, right? And then export. Okay, so our video has exported. Now let's see. So this is the video which has 23 fps only, and let's see the property of this video. So as you can see, now it has only 23 frames per second. So this is how you can change frame rates of a video. So try this out. Import a video which has 60 fps. Try to change the fps to 30. Try to import a video with 30 fps, then try to change it to 25. So try this out, and I will see you in our next video. So hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can reduce the file size of a video. Guys, one thing that you may have noticed is that when you export a video through Filmora, sometimes the size of a file is really huge. I mean, it could be in 500 MB, 800 MB, or could be a GB, right? So how can you reduce that size? Right now, I'm importing a file which has only like barely 8 MB, right? That is because this video is quite short, right? So let's import a different video. Let's say, for example, I'm importing this video. It's taking a while. Okay, let's drag the video to timeline. And this video is around 23 minutes long. So let's export this video. And right now the size of this video showing is 1.3 GB. So if I render this video, the file size of this video will be 1.3 GB, guys, and that is huge. Like that is huge. That's a large file size. So how can I reduce this? So in order to reduce the file size, all you have to do is simply click on settings, and here you have bitrate. Right now the video has 8000 bitrate. Let's try to change 8000 to 5000 and then click OK. And you can see as I change the bitrate, our file size has also decreased from 1.3 GB to 860 MB. So that is how you can reduce the file size. Let's try to 5000 to 3000. As you can see, from 860 MB to 529 MB. Let's change it to 1000 bitrate. As you can see, 1.97. Guys, where is 1.3 GB and where is 1.97? That's a huge difference. So I don't suggest you personally to export your video with 1000 bitrate because this is very least. Your quality of video will really decrease, right? So never export your video with 1000 bitrate. What you can do is that you can export your video with 2000 bitrate. Now, obviously there will be some, some difference between a video with 8000 bitrate and a video with 2000 bitrate. Obviously some difference in quality, but that is not a big difference. So you can export your video with 2000 bitrate if you want, but never export your video with 1000 bitrate. It will make your video really bad. The quality will really get decreased. So export your video with 2000. You can also try this bitrate. And also if we increase our bitrate from 8000 to 10,000, so also our file size has increased from 10,000 to, let's say, 20,000. See, 3.3 GB. And let's say 80,000. See, 13.2 GB. So this is the importance of reducing file size. This is the importance of using the right bitrate. So this is how you can reduce the file size of a video. So try this out, import a video, try to export that video with different bit rates and see what bitrate works best for you. And I will see you in our next video.